Hello, hi, and welcome to Emma VQ Pivot Point. It's also a steeple on top of a church. If you look on top of a church, you'll see a steeple on top of it, and obviously on top of the steeple, you'll see something that looks kind of similar to this thing. I think great. So I'm thinking, can I put it back on top of the church? I'm thinking, yep, I can do that. It's actually a pivot point, actually out of Blender. Now, of course, you may not have seen this on the actual church themselves. Not all churches have got it, but some have. The meaning of it, in all honesty, I couldn't really tell you. But as I said, it's part of the game world, it's part of the 3D geometry, apparently. So, okay, if I take the actual, this one here, the pivot point, I'm using it as an empty in the game world. And the idea of the colours, let's say you put your character on here, I'm thinking, okay, which way should she be facing? In all honesty, she can face this way because it's yellow. She can face this way. She wouldn't face this way because it's up, just up in the air. And this one is back. This one is back, and this one is down. So yeah. So basically, this is behind her, and this is in front of her. So as I said, if you watch my character, you'll notice my character faces south. She doesn't face north. Anyway, just a little bit of information for you. So if you want a different type of empty for your game world, it's just a little bit colourful. Because I think because it's like a kid's game, I'm going to make like a colourful kind of pivot point. And of course, I'm going to make it anyway because I need it for the church. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to use it for that reason, and I'm also going to use it as an empty, so I can connect all my pieces to this one object. All you have to do, if you use it as an empty, obviously all you got to do is click the little box in Blender, which tells you it's turning invisible, so you can't see it. Parent all your objects to this, and then when you click the object and move it, everything just follows the actual pivot point. Nice, easy, and simple. So as I said, if you want a pivot point which got a bit of colour on it, as I said, it's got 6 sides to it. It's got the top, the bottom, the back, the front, the left, and the right. It doesn't have the southwest, the southeast, the northwest, the northeast. It doesn't have that. Well, that's in the second part of the model. If you want it, yeah, I'll make it available later. I have got it. I just haven't made it available yet. So I'll give you this one. Good. Then, well, why would we want to use that if we can just use the L shape in Blender? You can use that, but I'm saying my content is different content. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm thinking if you got an actual direction in a game that you want to go, if you look at the empty more or less in Blender, and you look at it from the eyeball point of view, you don't know which way is north, which way is south, which way is what. You just don't know. So you put your character in there and you kind of set your character up. Doesn't matter if it's a football, doesn't matter if it's a person, doesn't matter what it is, doesn't matter if it's an animal. You say, oh, I'm gonna head north. You head off north and actually you're going south. I think yeah, you're supposed to be going this way. I think yeah. Anyway, the arrows are just here so you can see it. Of course, look at it, and then of course, if you want it, anyway, it's available. If you want it, click the link under the video, download it. It's another asset if you want it. So as I said, no copyright, no restriction, just download it, use it as you see fit, and hopefully you like the content. As you say, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thank you very much. I do appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. So I'll say thank you very much for subscribing. Stay safe, keep it friendly, keep it with the text. See you soon. Bye.